Hi, Jeremy here from Weatherables. First off, congratulations on choosing Weatherables. Let's walk through what happens after you place your order. If your order is large enough, our system automatically flags it for motor freight delivery instead of standard shipping. Once your order is submitted, our customer service team reviews everything. If something looks off, we'll give you a quick call to make sure you have all the correct parts for your project. If everything checks out, we'll send you an email confirmation, usually within 1 business day. After that, your order heads to production. We prioritize a quick manufacturing turnaround to get your order on its way to you. Once it's complete, the trucking company that will deliver your order will call you to schedule a delivery appointment. Before your delivery, you'll need to consider one of 2 options, using a forklift or using the hand offloading process. If you have a forklift, you'll unload the pallet yourself. But if you're like most customers, you probably don't have a forklift. Instead, you'll hand offload your order. This will require preparations in advance. Arrange for 2 to 3 people who can help lift and carry about 10 to 25 pounds each. During the hand offloading process, the driver will push your order to the edge of the truck and open the pallet for you. From there, your group can safely remove the materials off the truck. Due to liability and safety concerns, your driver cannot pull onto your driveway or assist in hand offloading. Additionally, fencing and railing materials are too long to fit on a lift gate. In the off chance you notice any damages or missing parts, go ahead and accept the order, then call us right away so we can make it right. For smaller orders, your materials will arrive by standard parcel delivery, right to your doorstep. No hand offloading process here. And that's all there is to it. At Weatherables, we always say the only thing stronger than our products is the service that comes with them. If you have any questions or need any help, give us a call. We're always happy to assist.